Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Gentle Whisper, draws for your lead. I'm coming, moving up by the rail, then running on the outside is Spontaneous Victory as they race towards the half moto. We have Gentle Whisper just in front. I'm coming, moving up by the rail, almost catching the lead, then racing now in third is Fear Nothing. Then next in line is Spontaneous Victory as they race towards the 450. Gentle Whisper and I'm coming is running by the rail. Fear Nothing is sorry outside, and in third stretch, I'm coming, he starts to draw away, this time by a length and a half. Gentle Whisper is sorry outside, Fear Nothing is by the rail third with 75 meters to race. Patricio Ramos Dilana on I'm coming, Gentle Whisper, Fear Nothing, then comes 11A Renegade, 3 Iron Monk, 7A is Stone Ladder, and 7 Wafu the King.